What's up, USA? What's up, Ghana? This is your boy Freddie X of SG Entertainment. Hey, it's Ghana Music Award USA 2020. We got 2 nominations. US based Afro Pop Song of the Year, US based Afro Pop Artist of the Year. Go on Facebook and vote for me. The name is Freddie X. Don't forget, you already know us. Let's get it.
Alright, so it is another brand new day, interesting day, exclusive moment. Hey, Shimo has said, you know, Sameflex TV, we are of course in the Indeed Entertainment. But we begin to say, I say, background name, we can say system, ni was a son, and Yasabit Bium, and Yabatia, it is Sameflex Speaks, but and then you were different faces, bruh.
No, we have Oh, it's a big platform, of course, and we have opportunity to be on Sameflex TV. So to me,
that's right. Also to me, Edgy Dim. Dear Mabua from one major man. He also Rich the finest boy Flex, currency the guitar Rasta Lapiji, Intin Chemu Papa, the president of Beef Nation, and in another regard, he's also part of it. Mehundoki, and of course the Civil Love Baby Girl, in our background, praying and of course supporting the movement. And Medin and MC Berima. And I put it from Berima. I want me to also say, that's right. Yeah, let's start with the intro. Officially. Now, the far end of my left now. Actually, fine looking gentleman. Washing the belt. So we get the dinner, we get the ye. Odate GH. Or no. And the ye owner. Or ye founder. Or ye CEO. And I'm Batman. And I ocean 15 hormones so dear. And the finest DJ on board. We should be home. Earphones, Guma. What you say? What one the bed, what on the book, and all barbecue shrimp. The answers to move and brought the side beer. What you say? One more day, I'll just leave this one to him to officially introduce himself to you and, of course, the world. It's the chairman, the platform Modia, Young Call.
Remember what so the kind one of the first hosts we intro before intro. And Kai AC, of course. And remember what so. We said we call a team like Paris Saint-Germain. There was a poster boy. On ye Neymar.
Sure.
Ntia ye shie mu ha. We Neymar. Poster boy out here. Efima. Em say me banks asame aba. Some cry the introduction because founder of television CK. I'm on phone call subscribe. I want to remember me na class 1 TV. And one of the new baby.
Class 1 TV. Maybe I'm going to
okay, wait a minute. Tell me some time this one.
Of course, I mean, in the DJ say, we have this big platform. I mean, so,
all right. Over that, I said, yeah, we can brass. I mean, I'm not kind of person why you official introduction, but me man here. And just log on to www.sameflextv.com for more infos, for more entertaining, educative, and of course informative news, trending stories. Free of no charge. What you see, Brassaman,
big man.
Also your introduction.
Oh, class me there's my introduction there. I had a introduction. Class 1 TV pen and be what agitation is about. Say class 1 TV ne bad pain because me name say on television CK and then ujinamu pa. But class 1 day, maintain that.
And if you have definite, we will be at home, man. Chairman.
That mommy call YouTube now.
Class 1 TV. The fact of the matter is, class 1 TV.
What you are saying?
KL. Who is
Class 1, as in 1.
You see, class 1 TV.
Class 1 TV.
One was by OND and digit 1.
1.
Which one of the ones?
1.
Okay.
Number.
Class 1 TV.
No, but yeah, sure.
Class 1 TV, I'm going to be in a day. Class 1 TV, I'm going to be in a day.
But
okay, I'm quite.
Nana, owner of Class 1 TV and television CK.
Sure. We'll be saying that this very, very good-looking gentleman on the platform here, Sammy Flex TV. What are we about discussing? And then, yes, also at the Mubium. I think, say, Andra, that was your final episode before this one. We discussed about the Shatta Wale and Beyonce. They already the video now about out now. Trending, of course, but and then, my Shatta the attitude in drove for. And I can't simple. On my board, we are here to digest. You have got the counts of Shatta Wale. Some few people will be over my make some few calls over there near Senna and Yama Airport comes for them. All right, Brassaman,
big man,
Mr. Odati,
yeah,
CK, Shaskili.
Sure,
big man.
All right, I hope that you kind of saying Shatta Wale already enabled the video.
Sure.
Before me starting free, Mr. Odati, Brassaman will because many now one or two issues. I'm sure you've also seen the video. Right?
Yeah, I have.
What is your take on this video?
For me, it's a very big, let me say, video, or let me say, thing for Ghana, for Shatta Wale, and also for the industry. I mean, people have been in doubt. I can't remember when the leak video even came out. People were commenting that it's a Photoshop video and it's not true. And I'm like, why will people doubt? Like, I mean, be proud to even Shatta Wale even announcing that he has a song with Beyonce. People were doubting. The song came out before people believed that, oh, it's true that he has a song with Beyonce. Now I can't remember Sammy Flex interview Shatta Wale. He was like, they have a video. He didn't want to even say it, but then you could see people were asking, requesting, like, is it true? Is it true? I was like, no. I have a video, and for me, there was one particular video I watched on Shatta Wale's Snap. That was way where he was flying out of the country. And look, I follow his Snap a lot, and you could see he was going to, like he said, he was going to America. Yeah, sure. Then, so when he spoke about it, I was like, is it the time that he was going to America that they went to shoot the video? But it was coded, and people, you see, after the time he did the Snap, people were not following. You get it? I get it. So for him to use Sammy Flex platform and say he has a video, he will not lie, because if he tells lies, then Sammy Flex will also be affected, because why will you grant such an interview and I mean lies they'll fabricate such a story or something. Okay. So when people are saying that it's not true, you could see the person in a video, Beyonce, and if you take a screenshot of it, you could see they are very close, and you can't Photoshop such a thing. Like, if it's a Photoshop, then both brands will go down the drain. And Beyonce she does not play with her branding at all. Even her social media posts, they calculate it, because most of them are paid posts or sponsored posts. So they will not put certain things out there, or they will not do something with someone at the end of the day which will not be true. So I don't know why Ghanaians are doubting. And you could see that most of these posts coming from or people making short posts are not in the camp, or they are haters of Shatta Wale.
Say a hater of Shatta Wale, they are member young cut down to the camps of Beam Nation. Meaning says CK, Chas Kelly, or you're one great fan of Stonebwoy, if I'm right.
Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy. I mean, almost raising Ghana.
Sure.
Extremely high. And of course, I enjoy listening to Shatta Wale when I'm happy.
Sure.
When I hope you understand.
I get it.
Baby, I like listening to Shatta Wale's song.
Okay.
But I listen to Stonebwoy. So then don't tag on his
big story.
I'm a big story.
What's a big story?
Stonebwoy, no, you see, Stonebwoy, the respecting the power in a sense that I don't want us to shift attention on Stonebwoy, but maybe we are every feature. You knew what? You move in here, so moon here. Okay. Now, ocean progression and a kind of fast so about baby do ya. When if you yet than to give that young guy support and respect his words. He's a full force to reckon with. But shut and see it before.
Okay.
And your question now will be something me know be me tio be but stone me now. Yeah, I'm not saying say shut and me am far but me tia stone now maybe me I mean
if I'm to understand you, what was what say your time I only tie omubia.
Of course.
Okay, but that's yes. Now I'm sure someone one video.
Yeah.
I mean the trending video now.
Yeah.
Ebimo kase, sana Mr. Odate kase, you know, Photoshop near. What? How do you also see the video?
Okay, first and foremost, Obi is here because of CK so kind entertainment. I just want to give the background.
Okay.
We started as musicians way back from Tech. Honestly, when I made a compilation by Eastern Region Secondary Schools, and Obi will attest to that fact.
Okay.
First, now Uko stage, I'm a man for 2, a man for me idea. Defining all odds, and I way back soon said Eastern Region Obi Onibia, and there again, I had song with Sarkodie, Puno was my mate, Yasiki was my mate. Sarkodie, when we juniors for school.
Okay.
And today I made
a song with Sarkodie.
Yes, of course. Ask him with this over here.
But then do you have a song yourself?
Oh, I recorded it 2007. Way back. Mini, but make some lines behind it.
But with Beatrice, I can see it now. With Beatrice,
of course, yes.
Okay.
Because the engineer is still alive. There again.
Okay.
Way back. You see, the young guys, so many beef near the end. Now, it was extremely hard. Said, Sarkodie be not Puno also. Puno be not Sarkodie also. Because at a point in time, not two luna, it drowns whatever. It's not ego kakra room. Charlie, I know one day Sarkodie song. I know one day Puno is. That was in initial stages, Kasahari time.
Okay.
But me myself Sarkodie and Puno now were the same song, so I know me.
Kudos.
Obi people were holding now me were known with Achu Koliko. And that's a me can't be breeze. Yeah, I know open.
Okay.
Yes. School. Near group with Boro was my junior anymore. But I know music to the large extent. Say I understand showbiz. Now back to Shatta.
Okay.
The video. You see, Jay-Z as a character. He's not ordinary. You see, we are all human beings, but we are not pet. We have projection. The wife, Beyonce. Music, they are demigods. And yet easier to come close to them. Even stars, superstars in USA, America, they find it extremely difficult to see them. Ubati Obi so a star, Charlie this, but you don't see Jada Baby before. Me can't about see Shatta there. So there Opuli Shatta through the Beyonce deal. No, it's a Shatta or Bompa Yebia Ocean because a huge platformer, the projection at Edibama Shatta, and then years to come. You know, Kuma say, you know, your cousin Shatawale and Numa or to the end, baby. A man for Shas, international collaborations. Collaborate be by. I mean, they can shatter the poopa, hang one of Benham then. But he, you know that boy, it was behind a crowd. Do you think it's easier to get close to Beyonce?
Never. It's never.
No! And only baby, I know. Yeah, I understand why some of Ghanaians say, Nashata, Nini, Jinaho, Uchawa baby Fufro. And Beyonce child will for and in Fidiaba. Wo editor ya which campus and PC currency no bet me afa wa ha na wa fa we wa ha e de ho album. You see, officially Beyonce no release here, but a leaky me nyane play me hu video ni but what I've seen, first and foremost, costume. It was not the ordinary Shatta.
Yeah.
If you watch costume, Shatta on a normal day on Shatta.
No.
Have you seen Shatta 50 time who shot what's a long sleeve baby that
No.
And you see those people say ne a video tell the say we ye person bibia ever meaning you know Shatawale
I know.
on say we there obeshe ne nyoma bi a she ne jacket bi adada ne ti and I'm telling you for all you know you make catch us say you are representing Africa your natural hair black you are representing Africa don't wear blinks you are representing Africa ebia men shatare we but the video now my channel Shatta was performing but on them
Men pam.
they be and pam you're restricted from all corners from any perspective Jack you see and I are straight have you seen Obi Oni Beyonce air video what touching it mean tell me aside Jega Nankasa Jay-Z so costume and in your money me because Shatta wasn't ordinary open a picture for
Sure.
umuna to me say hey Shatta that Charlie horse or transo and the man many J power when he said irrespective of BBN Beyonce was there and not the Ahimjaso king
The king.
why I mean who
Of
it's
Africa.
a plus man again the issue of say because I've heard crowd say Shatta call America I heard so because Ucha crowd Ghana and on the Abu Shatta went to America some is away
Yes, very true.
Shatta Wale call America and you see when it Beyonce no HBR and one no opportunity to see them have you and I'm sure said if you are Shatta if you trap pictures near there but they will tell you the time to release the picture the time to do this the time to do that management you know say before due respect and yet to back trade card now my question is video then about out
It's a very big question.
who say yes na you was here it's really digital what they are would see no will be better media as I said here and your mother look at the shadow this is not Shatawale
No.
you're telling the oil
Looking like Shabarang.
yes Shabarang
Shabarang.
you see
Say the no dress.
you see they wanted to give him an image he will be fearsome like a king of Africa
Yeah.
and one pepe you see Shabarangs be and I say Obi Sizzla Kalonji be and now Obi so Mano Abba have you seen this picture there
From Shatta.
No.
and see this picture Beyonce will release the audio no slides no YouTube 23rd July 2019 and I will drop it 23rd July 2020
Hey.
check it now
Just get it.
An hour fast.
Debbie human
Just kill it.
Hey.
so
What's our fast?
so you see the vanishing point is
Hey.
massa yan so Shatta so we nkwade yan so yan so so kakra and you see collection na Beyonce artist bebree Wizkid was so Burna Boy was on it and Tiwa Savage was on it. It's Africa for na bebree wom but you say Shatta nyum no otia who the African background be wom you see picture a painting no huge and honestly for the first time me share video no me need to tell because Shatta you be a Ghana for binum edina temache untimi go be bia o de anko local champion and then Charlie he the giga why do so and nko aye adimu amanfo feature amanfo ya so so we yam fa Shatta ensi akongo and you see oma just sign and symbols I see I'm sure that Sammy will interview some of them
Okay.
Omo share the definition of the video ni here some of us ebia you need that knowledge much but we share the sign and symbols we share the colors Who should be beer? Here, shut and son. Which means a work calculated. Or any 3, now I any 2, now I any 4. Me na actually be at a particular point in time. In the video, they say 5 minutes. Omo say sign and symbols. I say if you be a umbetini atro a booka, if you pages in a 100. Charlie, baby go shot.
All right, so just call the camps of Samiflex TV, and I said Samiflex, the boss himself, name me 1 or 2 things from him too. Brasami.
Yeah.
I think say Andra, yeah, come have some crap. Andra, let me pay this. I say, you call shut on the timeline. We didn't see this video there. You call Beyonce the timeline. And I say the closest people are, and I think say if you bang this 2 camps and we see this trending videos on kind of timelines as well. We didn't see anything of the sort. Now I know say you are very close to Wandong Charles Nyama Mensa.
Yeah.
At this point you buy me, but wait my friend.
Oh, Debbie, my friend.
Okay.
And a decision I made that I take he said for now, my friend, because on one casa in young country in farm.
Okay.
And I'm in a plan video that I said video na kasa pia. I think say you can embo.
Yes, you can.
Say video na pia. Send a brand new pia no the only interview first. Name.
Oh, there.
Yes.
Oh, mo.
Right. And to wasan so agye to say oh, say ba bia chechire aboa. Wow. Si jam. And to say that video ni be ba pe. Obesan atwe me. Me aye interview first. It na me person be prepare me. Na okay say we postponing the album release. Asemba ko kaka ho ye say onye bebreye. I have a feeling say video we mamu ne komu ne promotion kakre be wo ho ntina on pese e be friend because side video we pie na or any other thing concentration no e be diffused. Meanwhile, so no so na no pay full concentration. Same way the video ni ba we hear full concentration for the video. That is why he wouldn't want to rush it. And you know, many shot and kasa.
Okay.
I'm a friend, and now I'm some friend.
Okay.
But someone said I 31st July.
31st July.
And then date here.
And then I think and then
25th.
Okay.
Oh, 6 days a day.
All right. So Brasame, yeah, store me also. On friendly, yati ase ho. Now, me say me who the future for Shatta. As of this video about just clear Kasabi concerning Senebia, we should now uplift Sebia if we some of them and some of us are looking down on the brand Shatta Wale now. We should just now hail him, let him feel the kinship. What is the future for Shatta?
So what kind of Hannah of looking down on Shatta Wale, then I wonder what kind of person you are. Me name why no say or Ghana Hannah looking down on Shatta Wale. Me know cause me just sure say Akufo-Addo mpo a wo Ghana powers ning na e woni book mo and I want nsem no onumpo he would look down on Shatta Wale. I doubt because onim what Shatta Wale can say. Onim Shatta Wale ene ma obey impact e beti me nya on so. Enti onumpo no me nya so beti me look down on Shatta Wale. Enye obi an be do. Enye obi an be pe wasem. Enye obi an ade a oye obepe. Enti ubenya nipa 1 or 2 be social media commentaries here and there ombe suggest ya ombe you amobi ahu say oh Abrante Shatta Wale the penny star in penny never be on the bat those people crying to me can see Subia say they are looking down on him. We deal be me I think say Shatta Wale before this year be starting on any team mo can say no say all out. They said this year dear from all my kitchen cry they will come and take money. It no more can say all out.
I said the same.
But yeah, they were going all out.
Birthday party now, friend.
They were going all out. Yes, that was the definition. Because Shatta you be on time kwa. It should be back. We be only as Shatta mo boni da come obi from. No ba kwa boni bia, when back on the best feeling day. But we all forget that show no. E ko Shatta wa mo.
You don't answer him no.
No, they don't know.
Sure, people don't know.
They don't know. I know major shows, some international, some local. If we can Shatta first. Maybe our both figure and conformity. So they look at the next influence. Then the next influence would agree, okay, me the member. Now I'm out to Shatta and come back and say, oh no, I'm not answering.
Or sign xylophone or shows then.
Oh, what's my job? I'm going to push you back to one.
I'm telling you, it's at the issue, no.
But some of them about to say,
Hey, good chance, just kill my phone.
But I mean, Kai, in a better time, or sign, or sign 2 years.
It's own I'm no casa. So, Lionel, it is that video APR. Like Chaskelin some more come about Beyonce Nini Kuna Bushian Fonde. Many sure say I think Puna will be a person who now started and you knew one that
Maybe
you don't have time for imbecility. You don't have time for imbecility, you know. That means who ready, you knew what that just this video would add so many things to Shatawale. Like I was saying now, it maintain a mark firm. Say video about one thing all our statement, you know. Now they can come from it. Because Beyonce nyom appeal to Asia for pay, appeal to Africa for pay. No, a global, universal. If a continent be worldwide, they follow Beyonce. And for you to put out a video with her, just kill it can or know it to me because photo back when say Beyonce is after that. That's a dumb.
Not feeling alone.
No. That's cool. That's cool. And you can't add it. Shut a name Beyonce deal. And you shut a copper. How is it? And you shut a copper friend Beyonce Tuanica. Almost normal friend near a Tuanica. Laughing designs in a scanner. Yadima and scanner to see Usicano. Obedia man and Nana nominating man never be.
Royalties everybody. That's coming. What's your picture now? Who said, Miami Bida? Me who say educator. Sabrina Barcelona. I was AFCON 2013 in South Africa. You know, Bobby Nelson Mandela Stadium. But in nature picture is seen quite. I mean, move is a Mikujani. Try picture and tell them. And good John wouldn't go try to strash picture nobody or here somebody. But just look at the picture on it. Beyonce, one should be crowd to say Beyonce and any picture. So Charlie, and you see social media platforms. Beyonce no followers cry at you. O positive be back o Shata Wale are huge. Beyonce what videos are over billion views. And you see Shata image, you know, a huge. The dancehall, basically it's Jamaica, Buju Banton, Sizzla Kalonji, them, and they are former with Mavado Vibes Cartel, is to get this opportunity.
Yes,
exactly.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling you,
it's very true.
Buju Banton. And they said Beyonce man this platform, but the mechanic
of course.
Onyabi, Obienyebi, this man from Ghana, Shatawale. You see, and Sami, Mami for we Kakra said ye Sana Ebim. Obi wa who about Charlie this one say I will just pass through then I go see the go happen. Shatabaye, the Kobaye, Ulizi Yum at Sabreno. Samini no just so talk that say dance or king. And okay, so no, Odisu Queen, and this is baby a project in it. This deal, dear, Obia, Obeyan again said, or Kikan, and send you one say. I'll be highly disappointed in the fellow because a big deal, see a fashatana, you didn't see a Congo, and I mean. I don't know, say this particular video now or 20 or the one done by because video a true reflection of the one done. Yeah, of course.
All right. Just tell me that's one. Baby, if I say your call the comes of Shatawale near for 1 or 2, I think saying for you on I share 1 or 2 things going on in the camps of Shatta. But before that, let me put this question. Chaskele can say me say enya Shatta nkoa ena we can say the Jigga and then Beyonce it's me trying at all this collab bonus you West Kid you Tiwa Savage Burna Boy. Oh that to you, who any of them songs or my video be out, right? I don't know if
there's no video.
There's no video.
I've not seen anything about it.
Why do you think say this very song in and as I three you need to be able to tell me about me and pick it Satan Ninyo? I'm not saying say the fact that we're Ghanaian and then you are home supporting Shatta if you want from general. Why do you think say they need to pick it Shatta Ninyo and they shoot this very video at this era, coronavirus era?
For me, I think there's something peculiar about Shatta Wale, and as my senior brother said, Shatta Wale, like, I don't know, but for me, I think he has worked his way up the top. I mean, you know, when the likes of Sarkodie, had a feature with Ace Hood, people were hailing, and hey, Sarkodie has done it, he's the first Ghanaian, blah blah blah. Then Stonebwoy also pulled out with Kerry Hilson. I can't remember people were mocking Shatta Wale. I think Shatta Wale was even trending. People were saying that, hey, Sarkodie take lead, no, Stonebwoy is so hardcore. That better not Shatta Wale is so bad. Not knowing Shatta Wale's own was going to be the biggest. You get it? So, I mean, for me, Shatta Wale, there's a reason why they picked Shatta Wale. And that particular song on the album, Shatta movement, they went all out for Shatta Wale.
I'm telling you.
That song was trending on Twitter for days. When they realized that another trend is coming, you see Shatta movement, they'll come back and be tweeting. Shatta Wale featuring Beyonce, like, so it was trending. And you know, for me, I don't know what really went into it, but then aside the promoter doing his work, I felt that Shatta Wale's talent, his hard work, and everything actually merited him for them to really choose him for that particular album. Because in Ghana, as I said, Sarkodie did something, Stonebwoy was also doing, I mean, Stonebwoy had a collaboration with Beenie Man, which was quite huge.
Yes.
Shatta Wale also doing with Ace Hood, which is very huge. Why didn't they go in for any of these artists? They came in for Shatta Wale.
Sarkodie with Ace Hood.
Exactly with Ace Hood.
Yeah.
So Beyonce, I'm sure Beyonce probably they may have seen it, one because Ace Hood is in America and he's one of the good rappers there as well. You get it? But then they came in for Shatta Wale. And you see, for me, per the album, listening to the album, Shatta Wale was the best fit for the album, or that particular song. Looking at the trends, you realize that in Africa, they selected very few, Tiwa Savage, then Wizkid, then Burna Boy. And you know, this particular artist have something peculiar. So the team sat down and like, no, we Shatta Wale. And this already song, no, is that huge. Is that huge? And you know, Shatta Wale also took his time. I remember when he was doing an interview with Sammy Flex, he was like, they had to record a series of it where he said Bulldog, and the other team were like, no, Ninchakimo, change it, do it this way. They have to listen to it like, no, Charlie, we have to come up with the best because this song, when it goes out there, it's international.
Okay.
So you see, Shatta Wale really did his best. And lo and behold, too, the video has also come out. So for me, I think there's something peculiar about Shatta Wale that he did it. And it has come to pass. And for me, this is very huge for Shatta Wale.
Okay.
This is going to take his brand to the next level. And for me, I'm very happy about it because the way people have been trolling Shatta Wale, and Shatta Wale is the most hardworking artist in Ghana. He doesn't sleep recording song after song. People be like, song where baller. If what he has been doing over the years is baller, why would someone like Beyonce come for him? If you are saying that, oh yeah, no, you take your time to record, you don't just put things out there, and you don't record 100 songs in a year or 1,000 songs in a year. I will record only 5, pick 1 or 2 and put it out there. And people are bashing and all there, or yeah, no, can ball and no. Someone who does ball and no now, my fan is on the new way.
That's we issue and yeah.
Most of Sammy, no, person may be quick.
Yeah.
Because you see, Africa offer 10 artists. A guy from Cameroon.
Yeah, Father. Yeah.
Father.
The whole
Africa
album was like an
African something.
Yeah. Lion King.
They
get it.
Yeah.
And you see, in Shatta in Piedmont, Ghana.
We
Yes.
don't have anybody.
Because Nigeria had 7 artists. Mr. Easy, Tiwa Savage, Burna Boy, Jamie Alade, and the like
Tiwa Savage.
7. And you see, it can be for another discussion when it matters with because Nigeria for no 7. And of course, population wise and but it still tell us that Nigeria music knows wrong.
Exactly.
And see, I have made the argument and Nigeria for no dominating idea. And they are working.
Okay.
7 artists. out of the 10 or 7, and a Cameroonian, and of course South African, and a Shatta, and so by it. Remember Beyonce about, so you ask the question, and no more video will come out. Per one check, and you be a video about, or yet a collaboration, or documentary.
Yes.
Into be about.
Okay, so I may say your day.
Yeah, my name Manu say documentary no class. I'm a flash crab movie. Oh yeah.
Rasani, when they say sir, or when I say you put you near the shade next. But it's a home to was here. I'm ready to know. We can't see it. We see here, but before I ever come, someone who said in Grant here, they could jump. I could go for it. Board here. Now we get here. Ya boy, you my ding. It's what I want to one me patch up. Make sure say, but before I be saying, my social media handles are famous on Ubi so the last few words be on my name.
Okay, follow me. You can follow me on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Everywhere is at Odate_GH. And also don't forget to also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Odate_GH TV.
You see, the most important thing is the name of your handles. So don't rush. Odate_GH. But I press the wood to be cut.
Oh.
Odate_GH. I don't know if you're
okay, I'm taking it.
GH. I don't know the most important thing.
Oh, Miss Valley. Okay, all right.
You know, you can get me on all platforms.
Superstar.
Easy.
Okay, all right. So you can follow me on all social media platforms at Odate_GH. The Odate is ODARTEY, then underscore, then GH. Then you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Odate_GH TV. The same thing.
All right. So you're back down to Chaskele. You also the now we can say
Class 1 TV.
Many cry ID into the
sharp. All right. So some of them Canada now. Who on me we are here. And dear Bakupa, Rasa will be in the social media handles. Just follow on www.samiflextv.com for more trending stories. And then I hear the deal in ABC. Now I want to say, Bema Oba, make sure say hard work plus determination minus fears plus prayers. It is equal to cap.
Oh, cheers.
Now you do the learn one and after show.
Because of me, MC Hey, Rich the finest boy flex. Can I see the guitar Rasta? Lapiji and I Chemu. Hassan, the best to one this very conversation. So it's all you need to do is to just subscribe on YouTube, Samiflex TV. Now hit the notification bell to keep you updated on the Niema, the two. It's always a pleasure to be on your screen. Peace.